Introducing Duracolor non-standard grout, the ultimate solution for flawless tile installations. Specifically designed for grout lines of 1/8 inch or less, it offers unmatched versatility and ease of use. With Duracolor, mixing is a breeze. Just add water for a smooth, easy to apply consistency. Ideal for marble and metal tiles, it effortlessly grouts joints up to 1/8 inch wide, ensuring a seamless finish every time. Stain resistant and polymer fortified, Duracolor resists common stains and provides minimal shrinkage, resulting in durable, hard joints. Plus, its color consistent formula maintains a uniform appearance without shading, blotching, or effervescence. Experience the ultimate peace of mind with Duracolor's built-in antimicrobial mold shield, ensuring a clean and hygienic environment for years to come. Elevate your tile project with Duracolor non-sanded grout, the perfect choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike.